All right, so in order to install the program, what you're going to do is I just open up a little Google browser over here, and I'm going to Google GitHub Brian M. Anderson. And that should bring you to this link, although you can also simply type in github.com/Brian M. Anderson. This is going to bring you to the splash screen of my GitHub page. You can see all the repositories that me and others have collaborated on before. And if you click repositories here, start at the overview. This is where you'll land, and then click repositories. The DICOM template maker is currently at the top, but you can simply search for DICOM, and it should be one of the top ones. So DICOM template maker C#. I'll click on that. And this is just the repository in general, but if you scroll down, you'll see the most active or most recent link for downloading the program. So I'll click program download, or you can do tinyurl.com/DICOM-RT tool, but that might change. So I'll click there. And then the publish.zip is the program. So I'll click that and just click download. It's going to give me a warning because it's as large as it is. Google can't scan it for viruses. I trust this, so I'm going to download anyway. All right. Wonderful. Open this. Let's publish one because I've already downloaded this before, but I'll then extract all. Extract to here. Got some other stuff going on in the background. All right. All right. What's going to bring you here? You open up the publish folder and then run setup. So when you run setup, if you're working from a hospital computer, I'm sure you're going to need administrative support. It's going to give you a warning, prevent an unrecognized app because I'm an unrecognized individual. If I'm an unknown publisher, I'm going to choose to run this anyway. It's again going to tell you the publisher cannot be verified because I don't really know how to do that. And I'm going to install it anyway. It's just going to download a little bit here. And then it should just start running. So it's installing now. Again, I'm going to run anyway. And here we are. Great. Now, if after installing, you want to run it, I'm just going to close this. All you have to do is click Start and type in DICOM, and it should be the top thing, DICOM Template Maker GUI. If I run that again, I get the splash screen again. Okay, that's going to be the end of this video, but in the next ones, we'll kind of go over each part of the program.